Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable your chat on Daraz account. So we're going to enable our chat support. So first we're going to go to our Daraz app, which we downloaded from the App Store. Then next we're going to click on the account section on the bottom right, as you can see. Then click on settings, then click on message. Then as you can see, there's the chat option. You go there and click on it. So now you're going to get notified when you receive a private chat message. So this is how you turn it on. So you guys can go back and start with your shopping, see offers. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I will see you again. Goodbye.